Hello, welcome to Mr. 8 and welcome to the course Advanced SEO, Learn Advanced SEO using SEO PowerSuite. If this is your first time, I highly recommend you to visit the link in the description. You will have a playlist, and the first video is just like an introduction, gives you an idea what is the content of this course, what are we going to talk about in the upcoming videos. This video, we will dive in into the components of this amazing software, SEO PowerSuite. If you don't know, SEO PowerSuite is basically an amazing software, has different apps, a lot of apps, I think 4 or 5. These apps allows you to master SEO. If you have a blog, a store, website, I don't know, any sort of website, you can master SEO. So this software, you can run it on your own computer or RDP VPS server. Basically, it's just like you're having your own Ahrefs. It's just like you're having your own Moz platform, SEO platform for SEO in your own computer. It works like a charm. And the funny part, the cool part is it's not that expensive. If you look at it right now, it's around 500 a month, I mean a year. And they had a discount around 900 USD for 3 years. Thanks to Dr. Farfar, I get to use this software for free. If you want to learn more, all I ask you to do is you go to Google search engine and search for Dr. Farfar and you get to use this software. So we'll dive in to the first tool. So I am using a VPS right now, RDP. And we have the rank tracker here, my favorite tool. We have the website auditor, the SEO spyglass, and we have the link assistant here. So we'll start with the website auditor. So when you install the software, you need to set up some apps, some tools in order to have a perfect, or I would say an optimal experience. So how does this work? So let's do this. So the first thing we'll be doing is you go to File. I think the first thing we'll be asking you to do is you add the website. So you just add your website. If you don't have one, just add anyone's website or add my website. Okay, no problem. And you go here and we go to, preference, project info. Here you have your own website when you added the website. Customer profile, you don't add anything, and up to you. You can add your name, email, etc. Crawler settings, I just use this one, follow the regular one. And filtering, nothing. Speed, nothing. JavaScript, nothing. Here, I leave this stuff as it is. And I go to tags, I don't add anything. Event, nothing. Sitemap, I don't add anything. Robots, nothing. Google Analytics, here is the important thing. You need to connect your Google Analytics account. If you are worried about your safety, no worries. Your main website, you can add a manager to that account. And when you add the manager, you click login and it will pop up a page like this and you can log in to Google account. That's what I do because I have a VPS. So in case someone accidentally or hack or whatever access the VPS, they can just take down the manager account and nothing's going to happen to my main account. And you log in and you will be able to follow up with stuff. Then the second thing is you need to add your Google Search Console. Google Webmaster Tools login, same thing. You click connect and you will connect your Google Webmaster Tools account. Page speed, you can connect the Google API for page speed. It's free, you don't have to pay anything. So you can just again connect it. Very straightforward. Add the API key here, it will work. And we have the global preference. Same stuff. You can add the Dropbox if you want to save the project online. I think here I never use this tool. If you want to share the project, you go on YouTube. The Google Drive, your server, whatever. Moz API, same thing. If you have an account on Moz, you can add it here. Search engine API keys, you get to add the Bing, Yandex, whatever, Yahoo. And here you can add a proxy. I will give you a link for a proxy platform. I use this platform also. CAPTCHA, if you want to use a CAPTCHA killer, I also have a website. I highly recommend to use a CAPTCHA, especially if you are doing a lot of keyword research. You want to use a CAPTCHA, otherwise you have to click every time here. So I will give you a link for CAPTCHA. Safe query, I don't use this one. So, I mean, I don't change anything basically. Proxy settings, as I mentioned, you can add a proxy. Schedule task, I don't schedule anything. And that's pretty much everything. So that's the basic stuff. And now I will explain the dashboard. So the first thing you will be doing is you add the credentials to Google Webmaster Tools, Analytics, Moz, API, etc. Then we go to Site Audit. So Site Audit basically gives you an idea. So you see this number here? It shouldn't be like this. So my website just for education practice purposes. So it's like a lab rat. So you see this stuff here, it shouldn't be like this. So what you have to do is when you see this error, you must fix it. Otherwise, you will be in the bottom of the Google search. So when you see this stuff here, it gives you an idea what's going on with your website, what's wrong, what's happening in your website. So basically, I have around 1,000 error, and I have 2,500, 2,500 warnings. So I have to fix this stuff. My website is not mobile friendly. Some links are weird. Long links, 180 something. That's very, very bad. So I have to remove this stuff from the platform. And so far, it gives you an idea what are the issues, images, broken images, code, etc. And whenever you are done, you can click save, and you can save the project and return later. The visualization, basically, it gives you a sort of mind map of your website. So if you have a small website, you won't have a lot of stuff like me here. But if you have a very big, large platform, you have a lot of links, and basically it just gives you an idea how connected is your website. So your website should connect it together, like all these links should connect each other. So you have a very internal linking, and that's very, very good for SEO. You can search about this stuff, and here you can see all the links. Here we have total pages, total links, like how many links you have in your website, etc. Pages, basically, this is my favorite part. I get to know what are the pages on my website. I can work on those pages. So some pages are like not found. So I have to fix this stuff. Otherwise, it will have some problem with SEO. Some links are like a redirect. So I have to work on this stuff. So basically, here you get an idea on your pages links and work on those links. So here I don't have title. So I need to know what's going on here. I don't have any title, meta description. I don't see anything here. So I need to fix this as soon as possible. And we have email speed, etc. And all the resources, you get to see everything. I mean, like everything is just like a static page, HTML, JavaScript, CSS, everything you get to see it here. So far, I have 246 image, so I get to know the images. So you need, one of the good things about SEO is you need to have a very light picture. So I can just click like this. I have the smallest pages, pictures, and here I get to see a lot of big pictures. So I have to optimize these pictures. Otherwise, it will take time to load on my website. Like you see here, 0.20 second, millisecond, I think, to load, which is very, very, very bad. And the page audit, you get to audit your website. So you add the link here and the keyword, and you see if your website is highly optimized. I don't use this one. Why? Because I use WordPress and I have an alternative software. If you want to know more about that, let me know in the description. I will make let me know in the comments. I will make a video. Content editor, same thing. Is something has to do with the SEO. You want to optimize your SEO content. I don't use this one. This one, I don't really understand it, so I don't use it. So it's something has to do with SEO. Same thing, I don't use it. And the reports here. Oh, are we on the same page? I think so. So if you want to generate a report, so I don't use this one too. So domain strength is also my favorite. So you get to know how powerful is your domain. So I have one, it's like a domain, it's like a page rank basically. You get to know your IP, where is hosted, how long is your website, how many pages are indexed on Google, Yahoo, etc. And you get to know how many backlinks, everything you get to know about your website, you see it here. And you can run a test like this, update, and you will run a scan to update all the data. So I didn't connect this software yet with my Google Webmaster Tools Analytics, so I won't show anything yet. And we have reports. Reports, why you need reports? If you, let's say you work for a CEO agency or you want to launch your own business. So this report, it gives you an idea what's going on, a visual information, and you can just save it on onto a HTML or like send it through an email or something like this. And the same thing as I mentioned here on the page audit here, like site audit. So same information is well displayed, well organized here, and with the screenshot of your first page, your domain page. And same thing here, we have a lot of information and we just like hyper detail. So basically what is this software? You just, let's say you have, you give your website to a SEO agency or like a SEO expert or a developer, and you say, hey, I need to know what are the issues in my website. So basically this software will give you all the issues, all the problem in your website, and your main role is to fix it. So if you don't know how to fix it, it's very simple. What I do is, how to fix the issues, I just go to like this. We have ChatGPT right now. So all I can do is I just go to ChatGPT or YouTube and I search how to fix uh, 400 bad request pages. And so I don't know exactly how I got into this situation here. So I think it's something has to do with the theme, a theme like or share button. So what I do is I just click here and it will pop up the website and I can just figure out what's going on. So I think it's because of the share button. So you see here share. So something is wrong with the theme. Created over 500 share error or something. So all you can do, just go to that page and figure out what's going on, or just give it to someone on Fiverr or Upwork, and they will fix it for you, and you will fix over 500 error, which is going to contribute a lot onto your SEO. So you see here, I have 1000 error. If I fix 500, that's almost half of this. And boom, I will rank up and have a better rank. Yeah, that's pretty much everything. If you have any question, please comment on the description in the comment section and I will answer the questions. And make sure to subscribe or get to this playlist. I will be posting a lot of videos about this amazing software, and you get to know that. Yeah, thank you, and see you in the upcoming videos.